tell the bitches, sorry, don't mean to call them. But. Get it. Let me appreciate y'all real quick.
Don Lishop.
Live, what up, cut?
Yeah. It's been great talking to you. I feel like we got another little kind of side, another aspect of Lishop, the flag guy.
Yeah. Life is so hard on them.
Stealing milk from the store, my auntie gone.
You know there's levels to this fly shit. There's a bug fly or a butterfly. You flood me. And this feathery.
I don't really know how to explain it. Like, there's really no bad. Like one of my favorite rappers is Lil
Bayside?
Yeah, you know me. That's why I got my. That's my.
Okay.
One of my dudes that I was like, damn, bro, like he just was himself. But it's like there's 1,000, 100,000. Oh, he's so trash. Kevin Durant talk shit about him. It's crazy. But there's like a million kids
That love him.
that love it still to this day. Still fuck with him. Like he's doing all this crazy shit. Like
What happened to Bayside? What is
he's still rocking.
So he's still doing his rap and everything like that? He didn't say out there?
He just dropped 100 songs mixtape.
Wow.
Last like a couple weeks ago, 100 songs.
I gotta get back into. I used to back in high school. Bayside was like. So is that where you kind of derive your name from a little? Because I remember there was a wave of like Bass God, I think Ugly God, and I think that's it. I don't know of any other. Okay, yeah.
I think. Well, I get my name first. I was Lishop Don Juan because I was always just needed like Bishop Don Juan. You feel me? I was a nigga that was in the background. You know what I'm saying? Quiet. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? My ism. I got my name from that, and then I started like, man, I like. You know, I always feel like no matter out of any rapper that if you got $1 million, I'm a liar. Period. Like that's something I would not be humble about. Like I'm liars and niggas that you feel me that don't got $1 million. Like we can go one rapper to the 400 or 500 rappers in our area. You put us in a style contest, and I'm a liar. I'm not playing no games about that.
That is y'all.
So I was glitching. So I was like, I ain't gripping shit. I'm flooded. Big.
So you took grip into 1,000.
Man, it's something too much. I'm the most vast amount of water on dry land. You know what I'm saying? You want to be, you know what I'm saying? You want to be around me. It's practice. Like, if like when there's flood something in a home or something, you be like, man.
Stop it.
That's a flood. You feel me? That's who the fuck. Like that's just who I am when I walk in the building. That's how I feel. The rapping shit, y'all can have the rapping and all the bars and shit. I'm just gonna keep getting this chicken shit. But the flooded shit, I'm the flyest motherfucker that walked the face of the earth. I'm gonna do that real. If I got $1 million, you gonna see, when I get on, you're gonna see some pictures and shit.
I believe it.
That's one thing I know. All gold. Yeah.
It's been great talking to you. I feel like we got another little kind of side, another aspect of Lishop, the flag guy.
Yeah. Life is so hard on
You listen like we chillin' on a boat. Hands preoccupied with dope. So my bitches got a rope. Bitch niggas really love me, but it's something they won't show. I'm a hooper turned pastor, so they hate on me.